In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yoast SEO effectively to boost your website's visibility and performance on search engines. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or any other type of website on WordPress, optimizing your content for search engines is crucial for driving traffic. Yoast SEO is one of the most popular and comprehensive tools you can use, and I'll guide you through the setup and configuration process to get you started. First, let's talk about installation. To begin, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Plugins section on the left-hand side. Within the Plugins menu, click on Add New. This brings up the WordPress plugin repository. Now, in the search bar, type in Yoast SEO and press Enter. Within seconds, you should see Yoast SEO appear as one of the top options. Click on Install Now to download it into your WordPress site. After that, the button you clicked will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate, and just like that, Yoast SEO is now installed and active on your site. Now that we have Yoast SEO up and running, it's time to move on to the initial configuration. This step ensures that the plugin works efficiently based on your site's unique needs. Begin by navigating to the SEO section in your WordPress dashboard. You'll find this on the left-hand menu. Once there, click on General and then the Configuration Wizard tab. This wizard is your guided setup process, designed to help you configure essential settings for optimal performance. The wizard will first ask you about the type of site you're running. It could be a blog, an online store, or another type of site altogether. Select the option that best describes your website, since this helps Yoast tailor its recommendations for your content. Next, you'll specify whether your site represents an organization or is a personal site. This is important because it influences how certain metadata is generated and displayed. Following that, you'll need to enter your social profiles. If your site has any associated social media accounts, make sure to fill these in accurately. This step integrates your social media presence with your website, allowing better sharing and reach of your content. Next up, the wizard will guide you through visibility settings. Decide which parts of your site should be indexed by search engines. Yoast gives you the option to control what is visible to search engines to ensure sensitive or unfinished pages aren't indexed prematurely. If your site frequently features content from multiple authors, indicate whether or not you have multiple contributors. This helps in managing author archives and prevents the creation of duplicate content that might harm your SEO efforts. Finally, you'll address search engine preferences. These settings allow you to refine how search engines interact with your site and index its content. Once all steps are completed, review your selections to confirm they align with your goals, and you're ready to wrap up the setup. Now you're ready to start using Yoast SEO to create optimized content. With your site properly configured, Yoast will help you improve your search rankings and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your SEO journey.